question. Simplify the following. Question is 297 divided 3 plus curly bracket 4 into 3, 20 minus 36 divided 5 minus 2 bar. Close all the brackets. Solution. Here having brackets and bar also, you can use BDMAS rule. First step, bracket open, 297 divided 3 plus curly bracket 4 into 3 into 20 minus 36 divided. First remove the bar value. 5 minus 2, the answer is 3. Close the brackets. Next one, bracket 297 divided 3 plus 4 into 3. First you can close the inner brackets. Inner bracket is this, 20 minus 36 divided 3. In this bracket having two operations, divisions and subtractions. First you perform, the first priority goes to division. So 20 minus 36 divided by 3 is answer 12. Next, 297 divided 3 plus curly bracket 4 into 3. 20 minus 12, the answer is 8. In this curly bracket having only one operations in multiply, here there is no operation. You can assume here also a multiplication. You assume that here is also a multiplication. 297 divided 3 plus 4 into 3 into 8, the answer is 96. In this square bracket, 297 divided 3 plus 96. In this square bracket having two operations, one is division, another one is addition. The first priority goes to division. 297 divided by 3 is 99 plus 96. The answer is 195. Answer is 195. This is the answer. Homework second question. Simplify the following. First one is 13 plus 5 bar plus bracket open 100 divided 10 plus bracket open 15 into 2 bracket open 13 minus 9 bar divide 5 minus 1 bar. Close all the brackets. Second question, bracket open 18 divided 9 bracket open 4 minus 2 close the bracket plus 5 close the curly bracket. Next section is 1.7 Roman numerals. Roman numerals, as the name suggested, originated in ancient Rome. Romans used a number system which had only 7 symbols to represent the different numbers. I is equal to 1, B is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, M is equal to 1000. Rules of Roman number system. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. Example, 1 is equal to I, 2 is equal to I, 3 is equal to I plus I plus I. Same, 10 is equal to X, 20 is equal to XX, 30 is equal to XXX triple X. In point, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Example 4. Don't write this because 4 value is IV. This is the 4 value. Don't use the symbol more than 3 times. This is wrong. This is right. Next point, symbols V, L and D are never repeated. Next one is a symbol of smaller value written to the right of a symbol of greater value. Its value gets added to the value of greatest symbol. Example 6. 6 having the Roman numerals V1. This is V is the 5 value. V value is 5. I is 1. The right of the symbol is smaller value of greater value. Greater value is 5. V is 5. I is 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. The Roman numeral is VI. A symbol of smaller value written to left of symbol of greater value. Its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. Example 4. So 4 is V is 5 is a greater value. I is 1. You can write a left hand side of the greater number because this is 1, this is 5. The value is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. IV. This is the 4 Roman numeral. 40. Here L is 50. X is 10. So you can write XL. This is the 40. Roman of 40.